In this video, I'm going to show you how to verify 1xBet account Philippines. So it will be very easy to do. Before continuing the video, I will advise you to create a 1xBet professional account on registration, where you will come and click by email and put all your information right up to the promotional code. You will enter BOTV and you will get 300% of bonuses at your first deposit, meaning that if you put an amount of $10, you will obtain $30. Continue the video. Firstly, you will come up to your menu just down there. Then by clicking on to menu, you will come and click on your personal profile. Then you will enter details, and then by here you will just enter all the informations here, all the informations that are required, whereby your name, your first name, your surname, middle name, date of birth, place of birth. And now at the level of region, you will put now your region where in Philippines you are. Now you will enter a city in Philippines, now your address Philippines, and your document type, series, the number, the issue date, and where it is issued by, and now the TIN. When all of that will be done, you will just complete your profile and you will click on save, and you will see your profile being updated after doing that. As easy as that.